Hey everybody, Merrill here with Privacy on Demand, Florida Lanai Curtains. We are here in Viera, Florida, just north of Melbourne, actually considered North Melbourne. And we installed some of our shade panels today, our privacy panels, made from some the Solar Mesh, the commercial shade fabric that we use for our shade sails and are used in a lot of commercial shade applications. And we use these for getting a certain level of privacy. That's not 100% privacy, but it's just enough privacy to discourage people from looking in and add some color to your cage while still allowing some visibility out. So this is pretty cool. The customer wanted to get some privacy while they're down in the pool because, as you can see, the freeze killed all the trees that they were using for their privacy. So they called us at Florida Lanai Curtains, and we were able to come out and provide a solution that was both affordable and functional and easy to install and remove for them during storms if they ever want to. Easy to clean with a little pressure washer, just plain water. So good solution if you're looking for a certain level of privacy, not 100%, want to still allow some airflow through your cage. Usually we go from the chair rail up, but in this solution, the goal was to get privacy down in the pool area, and that is what we have done. So if you're looking for privacy or shade in your outdoor space, give us a call at 321-220-9444. Have a great day.